Hello everyone, here is a quick overview on how Althea Suite can help you manage your inventory, manufacturing, purchases, sales, and other business processes. Althea Suite is a web application where your database is hosted on a cloud server. We are using Amazon servers to host the database. You can use Althea on any device. It can be your Mac, Android, Windows, iPhone, iPad, or any smartphones. Once you have an account created, you can log in with a user ID password, or you can use your Gmail, or you can also use your iOS ID. I have logged in and now I can see all the modules on the left side, and there is a dashboard on the right side which is fully configurable. At a very high level, Althea creates a company which will be your business name, and for each company you can create multiple locations. You can also manage more than one company in Althea account. For business location, every location can have one or more than one warehouse where your inventory is going to be there. So I have created 2 locations. I'm saying that I have 2 locations from where I'm running my business, and I have 4 warehouses. On top of that, you can also define your item location, meaning where exactly is this product sitting in my warehouse. It could be, for an example, rack 1, level 3, bin 2. You can associate your products with a location. All the products can be defined under the products. This is where you can create products with as many categories, subcategories. You can create filters for your products. You can also create variants, like a same product you can have in different sizes or shape or brand or color. All that can be easily created. We will quickly look at a product definition. I have created a product mallet. So I have associated a category to that. We can have a purchase measuring unit, a sales measuring unit, and measuring units are user defined. You can have as many measuring units. When you are starting, you can create your opening stock. This is what you're starting to use Althea with. The purchase price is the cost which will get updated as you keep purchasing in the system. We do manage complete COGS. You can have a preferred vendor for each product. Based on that, the reorder definitions will give you a trigger to create a new purchase. You can have purchase lead dates, like you might be taking 1 month to procure something. Based on that, we will give you a prompt on your reorder levels. So this is how you can define your inventory. Inventory can be defined by adding products one by one, or we have a complete support of Excel spreadsheets or CSV files. If you have all the products there, we can import that for you. Coming to the inventory, each product can be available in n number of warehouses. So I have created 4 warehouses, and then there is a total of all warehouse. So if we look at the product mallet, it's showing me that we have 10 quantity. I can come here and see where is the stock sitting, and it's going to tell me then in my production warehouse I have 8, and in accessories warehouse I have 2. You can also come here to drill it down further, and you see the mallet has 2 quantity in accessory warehouse, and in the production it has 8. Althea Suite gives you an ability to do easy stock transfers from one warehouse to another. You can do stock corrections and stock audits to check what is in the system and what is in your warehouse is correct. For every transaction that will happen in Althea, there is a stock transaction that gets captured. So you can see the transaction type, like there is a purchase happened, so there was a £5 in, stock transfer, dispatch, sales, purchase, manufacturing. So all the transactions will get captured in the real time. We have a complete purchase management where you can create a purchase request for your vendors. Once the purchase request is created and when the material arrives, you can convert that request to a purchase. A purchase is going to increase the stock in your system. You can have as many versions of your purchase orders. You can also associate workflows for your purchase order. You can have your purchases drop shipped directly to a customer location. If there is any tax involved or shipping charges, we can associate that. And you can also print your barcode stickers when your inventory has arrived, so you can label it right there and then. For every product that gets created in Althea Suite, there is a unique SKU that it gets. This is the SKU, and then I can search my product with a quick barcode scanning anywhere at any time. So let's say that you have to create a new purchase order. You could have just added your products just by quick scanning. I will have to select a vendor first. And this is how the product is going to get added. Over time. So on, you can scan your products and add them on every transaction. You can also use a Zebra scanner, a normal barcode scanner. Phone can also be used. Phone camera also works as a barcode scanner. So we are going to cancel this. I wanted to show a inbuilt barcode sticker. We have a complete sticker printing module. At any time, you can come and create a sticker sheet. You can use normal laser printer, or you can have dedicated barcode stickers. We have a lot of sticker designs already there, but we can customize the sticker based on your requirement. So if I want to say that let's print some stickers, so all you will do is either with an Excel, or you can just manually add the products whose stickers need to get printed. And then we can say create PDF. Right here the sticker sheet will come up, and you can print these and label all your products. Sticker design is completely customizable. You can have your product logo, company logo, product image, or you want to add the location of the product, where exactly it is. All that can be added and customized. We are fully integrated with QuickBooks. We are integrated with QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online, both the systems. If you are transferring your data to QuickBooks, Althea Suite has an option. Either you can send the JV entries, all the transactions will go, or you can send everything, meaning you want to send your sales, purchases, customers, items, stock, everything can be sent. There are both the options available. In the same application, you have in the section of system, send data to QuickBooks. If it is QuickBooks Online, it's a real-time data transfer. For QuickBooks Desktop, you have to download IFF files, and then once it's downloaded, you can go back to your QuickBooks account and add the data there. When we send the data to QuickBooks, as you see, we have sent the customers. We will be sending the vendors. All the vendors will come. For every customer, if all the invoices that are created are going to come, and then if you open any of the invoice, you will see the product name along with just like a QuickBooks invoice, it's going to automatically create that along with the tax definitions. If there was any discount given, all those transactions are going to go. Going back to my Althea account, system is completely capable of having sent an email or text messages during different timings. If you have set up a reorder definitions for your product, which I have already done, we have a complete reorder management where you can set up reorder rules based on, if I want to say that for this product, I want to manage reorder when the stock is less than 10 and purchase to maintain a safety stock of 12. Or you can have like always purchase a fixed quantity. Once these reorder rules are set, Althea is going to give you a real-time notifications, and in the other account I will show you, I have the notifications here. The notifications can also be sent as an email or text messages to the business owners or anybody in the warehouse who wants to get these notifications. Here is a notification definition that I have done in my test account. I have said that reorder notification should be sent to Deepa. It could be to any other or all employees. And I'm saying that send me an email and give me the product list that needs to be reordered. And for all the business locations, for all the warehouses, for all the categories, I need a reorder for everything which is low in stock. So these are completely customizable settings. While you are using Althea at any time, if you are on the stock window, you can always say, if I have selected a warehouse, I can always say show items to be reordered. Once that is checked, right from here, you will see the products that are running below the safety stock based on your definitions. Right from here, you can create a purchase order or a purchase so that you can send that. So if I say allow multiple selections and I say generate PO for selected items, it is going to ask you whether you want to create a PO for a preferred vendor or all the vendors, and based on that, you can create a purchase request right from the reorder definitions. We manage complete cost of goods along with the financial accountings. So at any time, you can come and see your cost of goods, which keeps getting updated as you're purchasing more and more products with different prices. Althea has a complete inbuilt business intelligence where all different type of reports, like what you're selling the most, what is in stock, what's not moving, what's the stock value, what is your stock movement, reorder definitions, everything is there. On top of that, if there are any reports which you need very specific for your business, we can create them for you. Once again, there is a lot in this application. Like customer manager, ability to create key in your work orders, sales invoices, create quotations with markup, margins, do a complete manufacturing workflows. Based on your requirement, we will be happy to set up a demo and take you through detail about our application based on your business processes. Once again, thank you to listening to me and hope we will set up a detailed demo. Thank you.